Hi everyone and welcome to your tech tip of the week. In this video, we're working inside of Google Docs and we're going to discuss a quicker way for you to format like items when working on one of your documents. So here in this example, I have a document that I'm working on, and the first thing on the page I see is the title. Just like any title, I would like to set that apart from the text below it. So what I want to do is copy my title, maybe bold it, underline it. I can change the font size to make it bigger and maybe even change the font. If I scroll down inside my document here, you can see I have a few of these sections here where the titles are going to need similar formatting. In the past, what I would normally do is just highlight each one of these options and do them one by one. But in this case, I want to use a tool called the Paint Format tool to help me accomplish this quicker. All I have to do is highlight the text here that I want to replicate, click on the little paintbrush up here that says Paint Format. You'll see the little brush here. When you go over the text that you want to replicate, simply highlight it and it will duplicate the formatting from the previous title. Now my paintbrush has disappeared, and I do have multiple titles that need these changes. Instead of having to highlight each one and go back and do that step individually, what I can do is highlight the text as normal, double click on the paint roller, and now Google Docs knows that I'm planning on doing this multiple times. So I'm going to go down to the remaining titles and highlight them, and you can see that I still have my paint roller here. So I want to go to the last one here, and that will replicate the formatting in my document. You just want to remember that you click the paintbrush off so that way it goes back to your normal viewing and you can continue to work on your document. Alternatively, you can also do this with the highlighting or the font color as well. So let's say maybe here in this document, I want everything that says Moodle to be highlighted in orange. So the first thing I want to do to accomplish this is I want to do one in the formatting that I want to replicate. So I want to highlight it in orange. And now I just want to go about the same process. I'm going to highlight Moodle, double click my paintbrush because I have multiple times Moodle is suggested in this document, and just go along my merry way by highlighting everything that has Moodle in it. And again, once I'm done, I just want to remember to click my paintbrush off. I think this is a great little tip. It allows you to save time, especially at the end of your document when you're all finished writing it. Instead of having to go back and highlighting and formatting every single title or every single item a certain way, you can do it once the right way and use this tool to help you get through that process faster. I hope you liked this tip and that you found it useful. Thank you for joining me for your tech tip of the week. Have a great weekend.